Tarmac has been in the production of asphalt for more than 50 years now, and over that time there's been lots of challenges. Our latest challenge is about how do we reduce our carbon footprint and link that to our Sustainability Strategy Act. Part of the work we're doing with Flogas and have been doing for the last 10 years is looking at what we can do to move from oils onto liquid gases, and that will help drive up to a 20% reduction across a lot of our plants. Tarmac have now signed a 5-year contract with Flogas to supply LPG, and tied into that contract is also development work that we'll be doing on a new potential renewable fuel called DME, which hopefully will replace a lot of the LPG that we burn, and that will help drive towards our carbon zero targets. Working with Flogas means that we're tied into their R&D as well, so we've got support and help with what's coming in the future. And to me, it's very important to be looking a lot further down the line in terms of where can the journey go to help continue to drive that sustainability agenda.